Are you ready to take your workouts to the next level? Today, let's talk about the amazing benefits of active stretching before your workouts. I'm Tim from Peach Gorilla, here with tips and strategies to help you become the best version of you. Active stretching is a game changer when it comes to preparing your body for exercise. Unlike static stretching that involves holding a stretch for an extended period of time, like 15 to 30 seconds, active stretching involves moving through a range of motion, but multiple times. By adding active stretching into your warm-up routine, you'll increase blood flow, muscle temperature, and flexibility, all of which will optimize your performance. Active stretching improves muscle elasticity, which leads to greater range of motion, more efficient exercise form, and greater results. Another fantastic benefit of this type of stretching is its ability to engage the muscles you'll be using during your workout. It helps wake them up and mentally prepares you for the challenge to come. Ultimately, by adding active stretching into your warm-up routine, you're reducing your risk of injury and therefore enhancing your ability to get better results. I want to run you through an active flexibility routine that I do with my clients on days that are going to involve their legs. It has 5 different movements. Take you about 3 minutes. You're going to repeat each movement 6 to 8 times on each leg. Remember, the goal is to increase your range of motion. So if you start out tight, you'll gradually loosen up. First, alternating knee to chest. Second, and this is great for hip mobility, ankle pulls. Both of these really help your balance. Then, alternating reverse lunges with an arm reach. Great for stretching your hip flexors and your upper back. If you sit a lot during the course of the day, this one's great for you. Lastly, we're going to do front and side leg swings. Just let your leg be weight, swing each leg, and then turn and swing to the side. So remember, before you hit your workout, put active stretching into your warm-up. Your body will thank you and you'll see a significant difference in your performance and your results. If you found this information helpful, give the video a like and share it with your friends. Be sure to follow us for more fitness tips. Stay active, stay motivated, and have a great day.